area where the Burmans now reside on the Mississippi Gulf Coast was completely devastated by Hurricane Katrina. The angel trees in Bay St. Louis are sculptures created from live oaks damaged by Hurricane Katrina. Chainsaw artist Dayle K. transformed the tree trunks into angel sculptures, which serve as symbols of hope and resilience for the community. One unique angel on Demontluzin Avenue and Beach Boulevard was carved from a tree, used as a life raft by Katrina survivors and their dog. 2 more in Cedar Rest Cemetery on 2nd Street. And 1 more in front of Our Lady of the Gulf Church on Beach Boulevard. With Ground Zero being Waveland, visit the Waveland Ground Zero Museum online at wavelandgroundzero.com, and then go to the museum and take a tour.